How to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So WhatsApp has a built-in feature that allows you to transfer your chat history from an Android device to an iPhone. This method is free and reliable. Simply, you have to prepare both devices and ensure that both your Android and iPhone are connected to the same Wi Fi network. Update WhatsApp to the latest version on both devices. After that, you have to set up WhatsApp transfer. On your Android device, open WhatsApp. Sign into your account. Tap three dots at top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and tap Chats. Scroll down and tap on Transfer Chats and tap on Start button. On your iPhone, begin the WhatsApp setup. When prompted, scan the QR code displayed on your Android device. The chat transfer will begin and your data will be securely moved to your iPhone. Once the transfer is complete, continue setting up WhatsApp on your iPhone using the same phone number and your chats will now appear on your iPhone. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.